I have a confession. I'm scared of deep frying.
Fry.
So my friend Iris sent me this box of wonton dumplings from Belly Chow Dimsum, and she said the best way to serve them is by deep frying them to bring out that crunchy texture. The thing is, the last time I tried to deep fry something, I caused a grease fire in the kitchen.
Hi, Mom. I hope you're not watching this.
So I had to think of another way to achieve that crunchy texture without having to deal with the trouble of deep frying. And the next thing I could think of is baking. Baking is good because you don't have to use that much oil, you don't have to deal with nasty oil splatters, and it's much easier to clean it up afterwards. So let's see if it works. I preheated the oven to 175 degrees Celsius, and then I arranged the dumplings on a baking sheet. I tore some of the wrappers trying to take them out of the box. I brushed oil all over the surface of each dumpling, and then I put them in the oven and then I baked them for up to 15 minutes. So midway, I had to turn it around so that both sides are cooked evenly. And then I served them on a platter with chili garlic and soy sauce. So that actually tastes good. They're cooked through on the inside and they're crunchy on the outside. Perfect. If you live in Metro Manila, check out Belly Chow Dimsum for your dim sum fix. I included a link below. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.